Hi everyone, my name is Parakpal and welcome back in my new video. In this video, we are going to discuss about how you can easily calculate the quantity and the cost required for the excavation work. And this is one of the very interesting video on whole YouTube channel for all civil engineers who are looking forward for the quick calculations of the quantity. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to provide you one online tool for the excavation work where you just need to drop the amount of quantity that needs to be identified and you will get the amount of rate. Okay, how much work to be performed. Okay, what would be the cost for that particular work? You can easily calculate that. Okay, so let's get started into it. So before starting this video, I just want to ask you, please subscribe my YouTube channel because this YouTube channel, Parag Pal, will help you to get lots of civil engineering information and project management information on a regular basis. Okay, so to use this particular tool, I have already given a link of this tool in the description box of YouTube channel of Parag Pal. Okay, but also you can come to my website and click on the estimation calculator. Okay, or you can also do the free course of the estimation. Okay, over here, so you also get this all these links, right? So to undertake the excavation work, you need to require some input such as how much quantity excavation that you need to perform. Just take an example that there is a building is gonna construct, okay, with a height of six-story building you are gonna construct, but as per the building plan, you need to clear the excavation area, and the excavation land is the rock type of land, and at that land location you need to perform your excavation. So what would be the cost that you are going to undertake at that place? This can easily calculate using this tool. So if you just come down on this page, you can see you need to just drop here the amount of quantity that you are looking forward. Just take an example that you have the quantity of, okay, 50 metric cube. Okay, all calculations are given in the metric cube, so you need to put the excavation quantity in metric cube over here. So when you drop the quantity of 50 metric cube over here, you can easily see that there is a this quantity change everywhere. Okay, so you can see what this tool does. So there is a different type of the excavation category I have made, such as the first one, earthwork site clearing. So if there is an requirement that you need to clear your site, okay, if you have the your land area and you need to clear your site, so how many helper you will be required? Okay, so that's you can easily calculate from this tool. So you need require the 50 helper a day, okay, and it will be charged 8,500 rupees. So you can just consider the 50 helper or you can consider the cost. Okay, why what I personally suggest, just enter your rate over here for the helper is 250 rupees, okay, and this will be the charges for that, right? After that, you can see as it is a site cleaning work, if you require the sundries and the profit and overhead, you can add that one and you can easily calculate the total work, the total cost required for this particular work. Now let's consider the another type of the earthwork, such as earthwork blasting rocks. So you need to do a earthwork for the blasting rock. What you need to do is you need the country blasting powder, which is the 16 kg. Okay, you need the country fuse, which is the 45 meter, and you need the helper of the 75 per day. So you can just see the helper cost of 170 rupees I have considered over here. So blasting powder I'm considering 100 rupees. I am not aware how much the cost. Okay, the country fuse I'm considering just take this cost as a 500 rupees. Okay, 500 rupees, and this is I'm considering the 100 rupees. Okay, so you can see by considering the sundries and the profit and overhead, you can change this percentage as per your convenience, as per your contract requirements, and based on that you will get a total cost over here. So what this tool is doing, this tool is offering you to provide your entries based upon the quantity of work. He will give you the lots of informations that you are supposed to expect it from this tool. Okay, now let's go further for the another type of the excavation work, such as earthwork excavation of ordinary soil. So you are going to construct the earthwork at the ordinary soil. So you can see you require 16.5 helper per a day. So you can consider the rate of the helper is 500 rupees. It will just give you 8,250. There is no any machinery you are required. If you are requiring, just put how many percentage of machinery work you are requiring. Just put that one in percentage. Okay, I put 10 percentage. Sundries I have put in 0.05 percentage. Okay, the water charge is not required. Profit I'm considering 18 percentage. So you can see 10,000 rupees will require to complete that work for excavation. Okay, for the ordinary soil. Similarly, if you just look for the hard soil, you require the helper. Okay, 35 helper per day. Just put the rate over here, that 500 rupees per helper. You require 17,500 rupees. Okay, and these factors is depend upon you how you are putting the things. Okay, with that. Now just take example, earthwork for excavation. This is something very different work, like the usual excavation we are considering in India, such as the for 50 metric cube you require 25 labors per day. Okay, so if you're just considering the cost of 500 rupees per labor, it will give you 12,500 rupees. Okay, and you can just add all the things, you will come up with the final figures which you will be charging for the excavation work, right? Now, there's a lots of things that we need to also consider, such as earthwork for filling the foundation, earthwork for filling the foundation using sand, okay, earthwork using the plinth using the earth from side. So there's a lots of categories that I have made in this application, which will help you to get the best output from this. Okay, so I hope this video will help you to get lots of civil engineering information for all of you, okay, related to the earthwork quantity and earthwork cost calculations. Okay, so I hope this video likes you, and just if you just like this video, please do share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.